Does anyone want mango?
Hi guys! Today, we're going to talk about a popular comedian in the US. Joseph Glenn Herbert, more popularly known as Jokoy, is a Filipino-American stand-up comedian who is making the rounds in popular shows including Comedy Central and Netflix specials. He has weekly podcasts and has been appearing in radio, TV, and cable all over United States and beyond. What do we know about him? Jokoy has a well-rounded personality, but here are some 5 things we should know about him. He is from Pampanga.
Kapampangan yung inisip niya eh. Paano magkapampangan?
Jokoy belongs to the Pampangueños, who excel in food delicacies. Sinigang, caldereta, chicken afritada, munggo, shrimp, pancit bihon.
This right here is pancit bihon.
The people of Pampanga love to cook and invite others to eat with them. In his very young days, Jokoy lived in the Philippines. His father served in the United States Air Force Station in the Philippines when he met and married Jokoy's mother. Jokoy has moved to and moved out of several places in the US until he ended up in Vegas with his grandmother. Jokoy's experience of having lived in the Philippines, especially in Pampanga, the country's culinary capital, ripe with cuisine that is most evolved among the country's culinary traditions, plus the social gatherings that evolve around the food, certainly helped make Jokoy very sociable and articulate. For sure, Jokoy shows that he can cook Pinoy dishes fairly well as we have seen in his shows. Having lived in several places in the US where Filipinos also flock, Jokoy probably have seen the worst and the best of Filipinos living back home in the Philippines and their home in the US. When you see both worlds, you can mix and match all the unique and funny sides of the Filipinos. Right, Jokoy?
Yes, we do.
He gave up formal education to pursue comedy.
Why do you want to be a comedian, Joseph?
Jokoy was enrolled in the University of Nevada, Las Vegas when he quit school. Dropped out to pursue what he thought he was cut for, a career in making people laugh.
I told my mom I wanted to be a comedian. She cried. Why?
Knowing the importance of education for Filipinos, dropping out of school, more so from a university in the US, might have been a big disappointment for his family at the time. It was actually in high school when he began pursuing performances on stage. Among his first gigs was a show at the Las Vegas Coffee House. To survive, because income from comedy was small at the start, Jokoy did odd jobs. It was difficult and overwhelming at the time. Jokoy remembers all the hard work paid off, and his element is described as not your average comedy hour, mixing stand-up comedy with a look into the Filipino culture, including food, arts, and entertainment. Jokoy's motivation was deep. He was a genuine heart for the Filipino. Almost 3 decades ago, when he first started doing stand-up comedy, he already wanted to perform in the Philippines. He says, "I wanted to do a show where people knew who I was and they were coming to see me. They were coming to see Jokoy live in the Philippines."
My best memories of my life was living in the Philippines.
He is a friend of Apple the App and fan of Tito Vic and Joey. Who wouldn't know Apple the App, the lad from Visayas who was adopted by kind and gentle-hearted missionaries. Apple the App later became famous as one of the members of the Black Eyed Peas music group. Jokoy and Apple the App both have Filipino lineage, so that may have been blended fairly well. Both of them having seen and lived in the Philippines and growing up in the US, Jokoy and Apple the App visited the Philippines together, riding the unique bamboo bikes, making their rounds of the historical Intramuros in the heart of busy and noisy Manila. Together, they also went to the best beaches in the country. And let us not forget to mention that his main influences for comedy are Tito, Vic, and Joey. Remember the Escalera brothers? As a kid born in the 1970s, he surely did not miss the comedy films and even the school bukol sitcoms of the trio, and the gang that includes the notorious but most favorite teacher, Mrs. Tapia, played by Meli Tagasa. Jokoy remembers that although he could only speak broken Tagalog, he could easily understand the jokes because they were slapstick and physical. This style of comedy influenced his performances on stage, where he would usually move around and act out his characters.
Get out of the Foot Locker. I'm not even in the Foot Locker.
He takes pride in the Filipinos as fun and funny. Jokoy jokes a lot about Filipinos, and they simply show his love for his lineage. Although, kidding about the weird Pinoy habits, Jokoy actually loves the fact that Filipino culture is all about families who love to get together to have fun and eat.
So that's why I made sinigang, because sinigang brings me back to my childhood.
Jokoy says, Pinoys love to laugh and entertain. As seen in his shows and guestings, he talks about the many things of being Filipino and the fun sides of all of it all the time. While the Philippines may not have a very respectable reputation for some, Jokoy is changing all that with his comedy. He firmly believes the Philippines is a glorious country where everything like food, go-to places, both city and countryside, nature, the diversity of people, and the variety of cultures are all treasures worth proudly parading through comedy. Jokoy declares that he gives back to a culture that's given so much to him by talking about Filipino culture. Among the many comedians, Jokoy is like the chicken adobo, a meal always worth having when you want something uniquely and happily Filipino and worth remembering with a smile and going back to.
Every time I give someone that's never had Filipino food adobo, they're like, yo, why you been keeping this a secret?
Mom's best friend.
Joseph, I want you to know one thing. What? I give birth to you. And nothing you do is more amazing than that.
It seems Jokoy took after his mom's talent as an equally talented and bright performer. Yes, Jokoy has some mom jokes that might get other moms mad, but Jokoy's mom does not get mad at all. In fact, she rides along with the jokes and even throws back some of it back to Jokoy.
Just looked at me and went like this, Joseph, who told you were a bunny?
One secret to not getting his mom mad is to tell mom jokes never in a disrespectful way, so mom would appreciate the joke. What I do is shine a light on her and she loves it. Mom jokes are loved by so many people. Filipino or not, isn't your mom funny too? If not often, at least sometimes. But even the most serious of moms will definitely let out some funny moments with their unico hijos. As Jokoy says, mom jokes also resonate with a lot of people regardless if they are Filipino or not, because that's the way moms are all over the world. He jokes about his mom but in a respectful and endearing way. Doesn't seem too hard to do. It takes courage and lots of wit to understand how that goes, but don't you love your mom anyway? So there it goes. These are 5 things about our popular comedian Jokoy, who is making our world brighter in his own brand of Filipino-American humor.
That was the only language my mom spoke was yell. Huh? What?
We hope you like our video as much as we like sharing informative and entertaining videos to you. Don't forget to hit the like button. We're hoping you can show us some love and support by clicking the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you will never miss out. See you guys, stay safe.